Hello guys, this video is about how to install iUniker 2.2 inch screen with CNC case. Okay, now let's get started. First, you can see what we have: a CNC case and screen protector, a 2.2 inch screen and buttons and some screws. And this. The first is to hold the Raspberry Pi into this case, just like this. Put the PI in and use this to hold. Okay, it's very easy. And then we should connect the screen to PI, just like this. It's very easy. Push, yeah, it's done. And now put this ugly screen protector first into the case. Put it here, and then install the button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In this step, you should take it carefully, just like this. It's very nice. And now put the screws into the 4 holes. And use this. You can use this for little things. Put them on the 4 holes and it's done. Okay, thanks for watching.